My brain keeps telling me this lie. I'll do it later when I'm motivated. And it sounds reasonable, but really it's perfectionism trying to keep me safe. Because I think discipline means grinding all day, every day. I confuse discipline with perfect, not the boring part where you actually show up. And perfect basically means if it can't be amazing, don't do it. So I try to be a robot, never tired, never messy, never wrong, even though failing is literally how you learn. But that's not discipline, that's a fantasy. It's chaotic, distracting, loud, and it's expensive. Real discipline is way smaller. It's literally show up, take one tiny step, move the needle the most you can manage today, and do it again tomorrow. Because one small rep stops the decay and makes the bigger reps easier when you do feel good. Not because you became superhuman, but because you kept the streak alive. You kept the identity alive of, I'm someone who shows up. The reason I resist this is nervous system stuff. My Stone Age brain treats effort like a threat. It doesn't want a small step, it wants a 5 year plan, certainty, perfection, a guaranteed win. But a small step is all it takes. But hard things don't come with certainty. That's the whole point. So my brain offers me that old deal again. If it won't be perfect, don't do it. And that's how you don't fail. You just never start. So I'm done negotiating with later. Later isn't a time, it's a trap. Today, I'm doing a rep because showing up is the skill.